you. So, my dear students, in previous lecture, we studied about the block number 8 in subject science, as well as we studied lesson 1 to 4 in a block number 8. So, my dear students, in previous lecture, we complete the block test number 8. Am I right? So, today we study about the block number 9 in subject science. Our block name is water shortage. Water shortage. Shortage means deficiency of the water. Shortage means deficiency of the water. And lesson number 1, water on the earth. So, today we will learn about the how many percentage of water we use and how many water are present on our earth. आपल्या पृथ्वीवरती किती पाणी आहे आणि त्यातला आपण किती वापरतोय हे आज आपण शिकणार आहोत. So my dear students, first of all look at on the blackboard carefully. So water on the earth. Here give the distribution of the earth. Here give the distribution of the earth. Suppose first 97% salt water in the oceans and sea. Suppose total water is 100%. Okay. Total water is 100%. In that 100%, the 97% water is the salty water. कसलं पाणी आहे हे? खारट पाणी आहे, salty water. This water is harmful for our health. हे जे water आहे ते आपल्या health साठी harmful आहे. So 100 minus 97 means that only 3% water is remaining. Okay, remaining water is 3%. In that 3%, the 2% water is in the form of ice. In the 3% water, the 2% water is in the form of ice. So, in the 3 minus 2, so remaining is a 1%. And 1% water is the usable water. बघा, total 100%. 100 water 97% is salty water आहे. Salt water is present in the seas and oceans. Then remaining in that 3% water, the 2% water is in the form of ice. 2% water जे आहे ते आईसच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहे आणि फक्त 1% water जे आहे ते आपण पिण्यासाठी वापरतो. पिण्यायोग्य पाणी आहे. So distribution of water is the 97% salt water in oceans and seas, 2% ice on the mountains, means that 2% water is present in the form of ice on the mountains and remaining only 1% water is the usable water. Means that this type of water we drink. आपण जे पाणी पितो ते कोणतं आहे या 1% मधलं पाणी सर्व लोक पीत असतात. How do you understand the distribution of water? Yes. This is the main idea about this lesson. So all students please write down this idea in your notebook. So let's start. First of all look at the figure number 1 and tell me what do you see in this picture. It is a picture of distribution of water on the earth. पृथ्वीवरती असणारा पाण्याचं डिस्ट्रीब्युशन इथे दाखवलेलं आहे. 97% water is the salt water, 2% water is in the form of mountains, means that in the form of ice, and only 1% water is the fresh usable water. So first of all I read the lesson. So each student look up in a book and put your finger on each word. So let's start. Most of the water means that the 97% on the earth is present in the oceans and seas. पूर्ण पाण्यापैकी 97% वॉटर जे आहे ते ओशन आणि सी यांच्या रूपात वापरलं म्हणजे ते त्या रूपामध्ये आहे. मीन्स दॅट दिस इज अ सॉल्टी वॉटर. It cannot be used by us as it is salty and bad for health. Means salty water is a bad for the health. This is not a good for the health. हे आपल्या हेल्थ साठी चांगलं नाही. The remaining 3% water is a fresh water that we use for our needs. आणि त्यातलं मग जे काही 3% वॉटर आहे ते आपण आपल्या गरजेनुसार वापरत असतो. That cannot be some of it is present in the form of ice that cannot be used. पण या 3% वॉटर मधला जो 2% आहे म्हणजे काही प्रमाणात असं आहे की ते आईसच्या रूपामध्ये वॉटर आहे. What percent fresh water is available in rivers, streams, ponds, lakes and swamps. Swamps means the areas of low-lying land that fill with water when it rains. Okay? तर हे काय rivers, streams, ponds, lakes, swamps आहेत. यांच्या रूपामध्ये हे 1% वॉटर शिल्लक आहे. It also includes the groundwater which we get from wells and handpumps. मग त्याच्यामधलं पण जे 1% वॉटर आहे ते वॉटर अगदी रिव्हर्स, स्ट्रीम्स, पॉन्ड्स, लेक्स, पंप्स यांच्या रूपात तर आहेत, पण त्याचबरोबर ग्राउंड वॉटर जसं की वेल्स अँड हँडपंप्स. वेल म्हणजे विहीर आणि हँडपंप्स म्हणजे बोर. या रूपामध्ये ते पाणी असतं. So while there is a endless water on the earth, there is a water shortage in a many places. म्हणजेच काय तर कधीही न संपणारं पाणी या पृथ्वीवरती प्रेझेंट आहे आणि त्याचबरोबर this means there is a water shortage in many places. पण काही ठिकाणी वॉटरचं शॉर्टेज आहे. डेफिशियन्सी ऑफ वॉटर, पाण्याची कमतरता आहे. This means that there is a lack of enough fresh water for people's daily needs. म्हणजेच काय वॉटरचं शॉर्टेज म्हणजे काय तर लोकांच्या डेली गरजा ज्या आहेत त्या भागवण्यासाठी पुरेसं पाणी अवेलेबल नाही. Many people lack clean and safe drinking water. पण काही लोक असे आहेत की त्यांना सेफ आणि जे ड्रिंकिंगचं वॉटर आहे, क्लीन वॉटर आहे ते त्यांना मिळत नाही, त्याची कमतरता. आर यू अंडरस्टँड द लेसन नंबर 1 into block number 9? Yes. So my dear students, question first A. How much water on the earth is a salty water? On the earth, the salty water 97%. B. How much water can be used by us? Only 1% water we use for us. Question 2. Can we use the salty water for drinking?
No.
Why
No.
Why not?
No.
We not
bad
use
for health.
We not use the salty water for it is salty and not for not good for our health or bad for our health. Okay. Question 3. What is meant by water shortage? And question 4. Write true or false. So my dear students, already I tell the answers of question 1